Hey, you all. Um, I hope you're having a good week. I need to walk you through integrating some of the material in our class. So let me go to sharing my screen. All right, um, all right, I'm gonna go here. You should have received an email that, okay. Come on. That looks like this. It'll say Cortex Digital Materials and um, access your materials, and you'll click here to sign into Cortex. You would have received it earlier, and you're looking at the Norton Field Guide to Readings with Writings. So what will happen is that if you clicked this, it would take you to a screen that looks like this. Should think you already have an account, but if not, you'll have to sign up and come up with um, oh gosh, a password. I need to eat a snack. And then it'll take you to this screen and you would click this Norton Introduction to Literature right here. And as you see here, it's going to give you an access code and you hit copy code. And then it would take you to this Norton page that well, if you hadn't signed in, you'll sign in, you'll give it its code. It is going to pop up with an error message about access. Don't worry about that, um, because that'll get taken care of. But you want to put the code that it gave you into it to be able to access your digital resources. And then you're going to let that go. That's all I need you to do. I don't need you to do any of these other things. So then you're going to go into your class, and this is me in the student view. And right now it looks like start here. You should have gone through all of that, and and you should have done this course requirement checklist. And then you're going to go down here, and it's going to talk about how to register for Inquisitive, blah, 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 blah. But the biggest thing, and it'll give you details, and you do need to read through this, but the biggest thing is that then you're going to click on how to use Inquisitive assignment, and it should open in a different window. And you have read the terms and conditions. You hit continue, continue, and it's integrated. It's amazing. It's fabulous. All right, for right now, immediately, you're going to take, there's such cute music with this. All right, I gotta um stop it for a second. The sound. Well, I don't want to do that, but it'll walk you through the quiz. All right, I'm getting rid of it because of it's got music. I don't know if you could have heard it or not. All right, I'm going to go back into the modules. So for right now, like I said, I need you to read this stuff. I need you to do the inquisitive assignment. And then the poetry stuff and the drama stuff isn't showing up yet. But it'll be a series of assignments, and I will do another video that talks about that. So for a quick review, you're going to go into core text. You're going to register for your book. You're going to copy your code. You're going to click through the link and you're going to um, access the book with your code. Then you're going to go into your Canvas account and go down here and read this stuff, like, go through it. It'll open in a different window. It lays out the information for you so you'll understand how to do all of that stuff. Um, And the ID for it is, it should take you through, but the ID set, let me see. Didn't think about that, y'all. Um, this is the ID. It is 9755135, and I will put this in an email. It'll be in the email that has the link for this video in it. Anyway, if you have any questions, send me the questions. And I'm pretty sure that this should work out for you. All right. Take care. Bye.